Welcome in Kentino Ltd, VC Prague. Enter the world of crypto mining with us. We PC Prague, Kentino and newly Ltd, we are the leading manufacturer and distributor and provider of the accelerated computing and crypto mining in Europe. We are located in Czech Republic in the city center of Europe. Now we are expanding to Germany office, to France and to Norway and Slovakia as well. We already successfully realized several data centers for distributed computing, for backups, that services and for mining as well. We offer you the guarantee for the best price. We will give you the best price for the market, including the warranty which respects all the legislation in Czech Republic and Europe. That means 2 years warranty for returns for the items which are eligible for returns, and also service. When we have a repair center, you can repair everything also after warranty. We also provide housing, it's very cheap in Czech Republic, Norway, Paraguay, Dubai, and newly we are a distributor for the Ice River machines as a company Ice River EU. The profitability. We have created a table which is exact, precise, based not only on the calculations but on the real data from our data centers and from our clients, where we tell you exactly how much the miner costs, what is the time when your miner will be paid back, how many months it will take, what is the revenue by day, for example $100 for KS3 M miner. What is the power consumption for the miner? If it says 3 kilowatts, 3000 watts, basically you can calculate the cost for maintenance and for keeping this miner to be working. So basically from this table you can pick your miner and be sure that you've chosen the best miner for you for this day. First testing station for KS0, we will have also other testing stations. We test all the miners for overheating, for pool rejection rate if it's not too high, for the stability, and if anything goes wrong, which is about 10%, we return it back to the factory, and for you we are sending and forwarding only the working condition miners. The most important is to have certain level of quality achieved and sustained, and that's what we want to provide for our customers. And also we want to put these miners to the data center to be flawlessly working for next 2 years. I can proudly say that we have the most experienced technicians for the ASIC miners here in Prague, together with the developers who are able to repair almost everything, including graphic cards, projectors, TVs and anything else, but mostly any ASIC miner and also GPU miners. Repairing station for the gaming computers. All the gaming computers about 60 FPS, we are able to repair it here and to take care of them. Below 60 FPS, we ignore them, we don't use them because that's not a gaming computer. We will repair and upgrade your computer for the best price in the market, and you know why? Because we enjoy it. Here we have leading part of our software development team, which is responsible for new and the most advanced managing platform for the crypto miners and servers, which is called CircleHash in Europe, where you can monitor all your miners and all the temperatures and revenues of your mining. Also, they are participating and creating new models for artificial intelligence and also creating new bots and other new technologies for us and for you. 15% of all the miners coming here for testing will go upstairs to our service repair center. We monitor and we check that the miner has good temperatures, no rejection at the pool, and is fully stable and operational. If not, we do all necessary which is required to give you good satisfactory product and also to put in the housing the miners which will be working there for 2 to 5 years. There's most powerful machines, which are also the noisiest one, we test here underground in city center in the Prague for you, and then if they are working well, we deliver them to you and put it to the housing. The miner which is noisy as the airplane or like vacuum cleaner, you can put inside the Soundproof isolation box, which consists of 3 different materials which intercept and take all the levels and frequencies of the noise. And basically you put it inside, it's chill very well, even better temperatures than normal miner outside, and when you close it, you can work in the office. It's almost not horrible.